and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last video we learned about integers and this time we will be learning about floats. As you know, floats are basically decimal numbers. They are used for currency calculations in Python. Let's make a new file and let's see how they work. Let's say two people have gone for a dinner and they are getting one soup which costs €2.30. Pizza which costs €5.99. That was mostly what they had. Now we need to see how much the final bill is. So let's print it using an if string. Here we'll say like the final bill is. Now we'll put the variables with a plus with an addition symbol in the middle so that it'll add them together. So now soup plus pizza, and let's close these curly brackets. Now sorry that I wrote this. Now let's run it and see if it works. Save it and let's say dinner, and here it will show how much it costs in total. But now we also have to show of what is it showing, of what 8.29 watts. So let's open it and put the symbol of euros over there, or dollars. Now we have that, and let's run it and see how it works. Now it's showing that it costs 8.29 dollars. So now in this video we learned about floats and how to use them. See you next video. Bye.